The Northwest Multiple Listing Service recently imposed changes to how real estate brokers are compensated. Now, the sellers take the initial steps to determine how much the listing agent, buyer, broker, and their firms will earn when completing a transaction. No longer do the brokers provide a figure. The rules came into effect in October, and they aim to improve transparency regarding broker compensation while allowing sellers more latitude to determine how much both brokers in the transaction should be paid. And that decision is made before a home comes on the market. There are other aspects to this rule change that are covered in a blog post published September 20th at willspringerrealtor.com/blog. Have a read and then contact me with your questions. Thanks.